like there's a way you can be nice. I mean, like, you can ask for what you want without being rude about it. I don't know how to do that.
I don't. I really don't.
It's kind of annoying.
That's not your job, though.
Huh?
It's not your job to care about it.
Yeah, but, you know, you're still a person. So it kind of, like, gets you. Like, not gets you, but, like, kind of makes you feel.
Like, as soon as you...
Thank you.
As soon as you put on a uniform...
I'm not even wearing a uniform. I didn't even have a name tag
No,
on.
but I'm saying, like, as soon as you put on a uniform...
People think they own you.
People feel like they can just treat you any type of way.
I agree. I feel like people be losing their mind. And like they don't know how to have manners or like be patient, you know?
That's why I'm like so nice to like provide me a service. I'm not trying to add more onto your load. I budgeted for this, so you're fine.
You said what? You said what?
Make some peanuts for your dad.
You know he don't want those.
Eat some.
Since when? It's kind of sweet though. Why are you looking like that?
Like what?
You look like you embarrassed.
I do not consent to be in this video.
It's okay. It's only food pics. It's okay.
I'm sued for the likeness of my hand.
Oh no, I only got 42 subscribers.
Y'all baby don't mind. I'm just being. I've been here since 10 o'clock.
You ever have a cut in your lip, and then when you drink something, it kind of burns? That hurt a little bit. It's such a... The way I was with my... Where's my fork? Don't mind me. Oh, I'm sorry. We were supposed to wait. I'm sorry. I didn't wait. How are you? Oh, you're fine. It is. It's very thick. Yes. It's back to normal. You did it.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Oh, shoot. Thanks. So cute. That was harder than it needed to be. This is very, very good. This is it's mango tea. Also, if you can't tell, I'm at the farmer's market, but I'm supposed to be being silent, but you know, that's not my full brand. But this fit, and it's my little iced tea. It's really good. So far, I'm just really perusing. My plans are later, but I'm perusing. So I thought you could join me. I hope that's okay with you. It's so nice out. Oh my God. Hey people, as you can see, it's a little hot in here. Let me open this window, sorry. As you can see, I am back in the Kora mobile. Vroom vroom. That was a great farmer's market. Sorry, I'm so fidgety. That was an amazing farmer's market. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Better than, I've only been in one other farmer's market, so it's the best I've ever had. But as you can see, I'm in my car. Jacket is off. You know what that means, people? Vlog's over. Oh no, oh my God. It's okay. It's alright. We'll be back next week, my boy. This was fun. This was supposed to be a silent, not so silent vlog, I guess. I just wanted to show glimpses into my week and just like kind of how I just exist in the silence. So I hope the silence was not uncomfortable for you. I hope the silence was peaceful for you, because it wasn't uncomfortable for me. I enjoyed it. But if you like it, please like, please comment, please subscribe, blah 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 blah. If you want to, I'm not your leader, I'm not your authority, so do what you want. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to though. But until next time, love you, miss you, bye.